Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by formatting the number in international form because carrier databases expect plus country code. Once done, inspect the prefix. Those first 5 digits often map to an original network. Next, choose a reliable carrier lookup API or a local regulator list. APIs give real-time porting info. Make sure you have API keys and a test number, and prepare to handle number portability differences, since the original prefix may not reflect the current operator. You now query multiple sources. Call an HLR or MNP lookup endpoint to determine current routing and whether the number is ported. Then cross-check with prefix tables and your country regulator's allocation list for confirmation. Crowdsourced databases add a practical second opinion. Make sure to parse the API response for operator name, MCC/MNC codes, and a ported flag, because those fields explain how calls and SMS will be routed, and whether the finish by validating results. Send a quick SMS or make a 1-second call from 2 different networks to observe delivery and routing characteristics. If the operator data mismatches, rerun the HLR/MNP lookup. Caching delays or recent porting often cause false results. Make sure to clear local caches and wait an hour if needed. If automated checks still fail, contact operator support with the MCC/MNC and timestamped logs so they can trace routing and resolve discrepancies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.